Namaste Gurukulites. Firstly, I would like to welcome you all to our Gurukul family. I am Sumlata, Department of Physics. Today I am here to tell about some basic concept of physics which is very helpful to your next academics. In our day-to-day life, we notice or we observe most of the phenomena takes place around us, all these applications of physics. So that is physics works everywhere. For example, the production of sound, visualization of objects, machineries, working of electric equipments, and lots more. Now, let us define what is physics. Physics, it is a branch of science which deals with how the things are happening around us. You have completed your schooling. Now you are an intermediate student. There are three views in your academic journey. So for class 1 to class 9, you are exposed to your schooling, school level. And in the class 10, you are competing with the state level. That is your board examination. And now you are in the PU, you are stepping into the competitive world, that is NEET and JEE. So we don't want you to just an aspirant of NEET and JEE. We want you to be a good or excellent competitor in this. So we are here to support and guide you. Let's start the today's session, that is physical quantities. What do you mean by physical quantities? The quantities in our surrounding measurable. So the measurable quantities are called physical quantities. All the physical quantities are measured with their units. There are two types in the physical quantities. One is fundamental quantities and next one is derived quantities. The fundamental quantities are the physical quantities. They are independent quantities. Independent means they never depend on other quantities. There are 7 fundamental quantities are there. So first one is mass. The mass is measured in kgs, grams, and next one is length. That is measured in kilometer, meter, centimeter, millimeter, and the third one is time, which is measured in seconds, hours, minutes, days, and so. Fourth one is amount of a substance, which is measured in moles, and fifth one is luminous intensity, which is measured in candela, and next one is electric current, so that is measured in amperes, and the seventh one is temperature, which is measured in Kelvin. So next type of quantity, that is derived quantity. These are the physical quantities which are derived from the fundamental quantities. In terms, they are dependent on other quantities. For example, velocity, force, pressure. So these are power. These are all the derived quantities. With the help of fundamental quantities, we are going to derive these quantities. So already you know about, we are frequently used, there are three fundamental quantities. One is mass, length, and time. So we are, for solving the problems, the conversion is most important. In that way, we are converting greater unit to smaller unit. For example, the mass is measured in kgs and grams. Kgs to grams we are converting means we are multiplied, and grams to kgs, that is division. It is applicable to all the physical quantities, for example length and time. So in the very soon I will share the PDF of the conversion. Try to work out on this. Let me wind up this session. See you in the next class. Have a nice day. Namaste.